At RighterTrack, we provide track and trace data collection software for the construction, gas, oil, pipeline, survey, and welding industries. Our apps can be hosted on a secure cloud server and use precise location tracking via GPS coordinates for accurate database archiving and traceability. The software ensures FERC and PHMSA compliance through a simplified verification process. It's quick and easy. Just enter your data. Take a photo of the completed task. Your photo is watermarked and stamped with the data along with exact GPS location. Email or upload the archived photo. Prove and validate the work when required. Our materials, photo verified, and construction tracking apps can be easily integrated with your mobile devices or durable handhelds for pipeline environments, and we offer software customization and scalability options. If you want to learn more, contact RighterTrack today.